After creating recurring transactions, QuickBooks Online Plus reminds you when they are due by showing weekly reminders in a reminders list starting the Monday after they are created and each Monday after that. To view your reminders list and create transactions from them, click the Settings button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar, and then click the Recurring Transactions link under the List's heading to open the Recurring Transactions page. Then click the Reminder List button in the upper right corner of the Recurring Transactions page to open the Reminders List page. The Reminders List page shows all upcoming recurring transactions. To create transactions in your Reminders list, check the checkbox to the left of the transaction or transactions to create. Then click the Batch Actions dropdown above the list and select the Create command to create the selected transactions. Alternatively, to skip creating the selected transactions within the reminders list once, choose the Skip command instead. Doing this skips a single instance of the selected recurring transactions, but doesn't interfere with future recurrences. Alternatively, to create or skip a single transaction, click the drop-down arrow under the Transactions Action column and then select either the Create or Skip command as desired. Alternatively, to edit a single transaction before creating it, click the Edit and Create link under its action column to open the transaction form, so you can then edit its content and then save it to create it. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.